Hi guys, I'm Gabby and welcome to my channel. I'm switching things up a little bit today with my first ever how-to video. I will show you how to hand wash your bras. It doesn't take much time, it's easy, and it will help you keep your bras for much longer. Alright, let's get to it. I like to buy high quality bras. Especially I have quite a large bust, so it's hard for me to find nice bras that are good quality and also cheap, so I'm just like, might as well just invest, because good bras and good underwear in general is very important. Because they are a bit expensive and they also have all underwires, I don't want to put them in the washing machine because it's not good for the fabric and it could also change the shape of it, so I need to wash them all by hand. It takes about 10 minutes of active time whenever I do it. I have about 5 bras that I rotate, and then I try to wash them like every 2 weeks. Yeah, I guess I should do it every week, but who has the time for that? Anyway, so around every two weeks, I take the time to wash my bras. Like I said, it takes about 10 minutes. It doesn't take very long, especially for the money I'm saving, because then my bras will last me longer. I am set up currently in the bathroom because I use the sink to wash them in. So I'm just going to show you step by step how I do that. And that's going to be it. All right, let's do this. So to wash your bras, you don't need too much. You need your bras, of course, to start with. You need a sink, just a place where you can kind of soak the bras in. I'm using my bathroom sink, and I do recommend whichever sink you use to kind of clean it out before, just to make sure that it's clean. There's no bacteria in the sink that would go in your bras. So I just did that just before starting to film this video. We're gonna need some soap. I will also need a towel. So once they are clean, of course, they're all super soaked in water, and washing it by hand, then you don't have the spin cycle where it kind of sucks all the water out of it. So make sure you have a good towel to absorb extra water before you hang them to dry. And then we have a little stopper as well for the sink, but that's pretty much it. All right, so I'm just gonna start by filling the sink with some warm water. So I don't want it hot, I also don't want it too cold for my hands, so just like lukewarm water. I'm gonna add the soap. You really don't need much because there isn't much fabric to wash. All right, I got a pretty good amount of water in here. So because these are not new, so technically if you have new bras, you should definitely separate your darks from your non-darks, just to make sure the dye doesn't transfer. But I've washed all of these plenty of time before, so there is no more dye to transfer from one to another, so I can just wash them all together. So here we go, we're just taking a plunge. So I'm just kind of running them around in water, making sure they're all soaked pretty good. Then what I like to do is kind of take the parts that are most likely to be dirty. So the underwire where you sweat, and then this that goes in the back where you also sweat from. Like, it's not this that becomes dirty, it really is more the under part and the back. So I'll just kind of rub this in my hand, try to get the soap in to make it feel as clean as possible. Then I just repeat with each bra. Swoosh them again in the soapy water. So you kind of want to try to recreate what a washing machine would do, right? Which is literally swoosh them away, smooth, swoosh, swoosh them, not a word. Swoosh them in soapy water, so all the dirt and the buildup and the sweat just goes away. And once you're satisfied with this, we just let them sit for about 5 minutes. It's been about 5 minutes now, so it's time to rinse it and dry it. I'm just emptying the sink to let all the dirty water go. And now we rinse. I always rinse them individually because it's so important to get all of the soap out. So I just take them one by one, like you just saw, and just run them in water. Then we're gonna squeeze the extra water out of it. Take the towel that we've pulled out earlier, and then we just squeeze the water out of it. So that way it's gonna be a bit quicker to dry. Ta-da! And then we just hang them dry. Ta-da! Beautiful bra collection. Make sure that they do have a good shape when drying, right? This one was like inside out, so just make sure they have the right shape you want it for them to dry, and then just let them hang for a few hours and they will be dry in no time, or they will be dry in a few hours. Yeah, that's what I meant to say. That's it, all done. All right, I now have all my bras clean and dry. If you also have bras, which I hope you do if you watch this video, go ahead and try it and let me know how it goes in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this type of how-to video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Bye.